Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, strain on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. So grabbing your tool, you want to push it in. You can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for just a single SIM card. So that would be on the top side. Place the card with the chip side upwards like so. Make sure that it is laying flush on the tray and then insert it back into your phone. It should start working automatically. As you can see, it's already prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. So that will unlock my SIM card, and that's all I need to do. The card is now functioning. As long as it connects to network, considering I'm in a basement. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.